it stays with me. I know that you don't gotta wait for me. I'm taking it down. What's my name again? Pull up and check my block. It's good then I check the box. I get checked a lot. Hey, why you check my spot? You got your shit on me.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, subscribe because you're already here, so why not? Period. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be telling you guys about my first YouTube check. I told Twitter first. Everybody was in my DMs asking me, you know, about my check. So I'm like, I'm gonna just make a video about it. People want to know like the process and everything. It was a long process, so I'm not gonna share like too many details, but I'm gonna give y'all the tea because there's enough bag to go around. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, so it's gonna be like a little get ready with me too. It's just, you know, it'll be a get ready with me because I have somewhere to be, so I want to film this before, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows while I'm talking about this. I'm not gonna be telling you guys what I'm using. I'm not doing all that, but if you do want a video on that, let me know and I'll tell you guys. Well, I'll do like a more detailed video, but that's not what this is. I'm just gonna be doing my eyebrows while I'm telling you guys about this because I got somewhere to be. So first things first, like I said, it was a very long process to start getting paid from YouTube. First of all, you have to get monetized before you can even think about a first check. So to get monetized, you have to have like so many subscribers. I think it's like 1,000, and then you have to have like hella watch minutes or watch hours. It's a lot. I don't know how much it is, but it's honestly, it's a lot, and it took me a while to actually get to that point. There's one video in particular of mine that I got like all my watch minutes from, luckily, but it takes a long time. So if you're thinking about YouTube, or if you're already doing YouTube, definitely make videos that you know people want to watch. Like some videos I put up, it don't get a lot of views, but then I know like not to make so many videos like that anymore. Even though I like filming them, that's obviously not what people want to see, and that's not going to get you the views. So you kind of have to like cater to your audience basically. So when I reached like all those, like I got my 1,000 subs and all my watch hours, it was July, and I started my YouTube January of 2018. So it took basically half the year to even reach that for me. So if you want to get money like right now, like it's not gonna happen. Like, well, there are people that like go viral like right away, but most of the time, most people, if you're looking for YouTube for like a quick come up, it's not quick at all. Like, it's not quick. So don't get discouraged. Like, I've been doing it for a year to get one check. I just enjoy doing it, but yeah. But after you're monetized, you have your 1,000 subs and your watch hours, you have to set up, it's called an Adsense account. And that's basically how you're paid. Like, Adsense is the ones that put the ads on your YouTube videos. So you're paid through them. It's Google AdSense. AdSense is a process within itself. Like it's like months of a process. So after already taking months to finally get monetized, once you set up your AdSense account to start getting paid, you have to wait more months to get everything situated with AdSense because it's a long process. So once you get monetized, YouTube will tell you like, oh, you've been monetized, you have to set up your AdSense account so you can start getting paid. And then once you set up your AdSense account, you have to verify like all this stuff. So I have to verify my address and my banking account. So to confirm your address, they'll send you a pin in the mail. This is mine. don't know if you can see it, but it just says Google Adsense on it, and then you'll open it and your pin's on the inside of that. That takes 2 to 4 weeks to come. Gag is I didn't get my first one, and I didn't even know they sent it out, or I forgot about it or something. So they sent it out in July when I got monetized instead of my Adsense account, and I didn't know they sent it out. And if you don't put your pin in like 4 months after they send it, they'll take the ads off your videos. So I didn't have ads on my videos for like a month, and I didn't even notice. It was this long process. So I had to send out it again for my pin again in January, and I got it right away. But I watched other YouTubers that said it took them the 2 to 4 weeks to get the pin in the mail. So I don't know if because I like requested to get a replacement it was faster, but I got mine in 4 days. I don't think I ever got my first one. I never got in the mail. And some people have said that like they have to request another one because they never get the first one in the mail. So it might take that long. It might take the 2 to 4 weeks like they say to get the pin in the mail. But along with verifying your address through the pin, you have to confirm your bank account. So I have to put my bank account in, and they put something between like a penny and $1 in your account just to confirm that it's like your working bank account. And then you have to go on Adsense, the website, and tell them what amount they put in your account. So like say they put 38 cents in your checking account, you have to go on Adsense and put that exact amount in there to confirm that it's yours. And that only takes a few days. I think I did that, and like the next day I asked them to send the confirmation, and they put like a couple cents in my bank account like the next day. So that doesn't take too long. It's just a note, because like I said, a lot of people, it says it takes 2 to 4 weeks, but I've heard like not a lot of people get it the first time they request it, and if they do, it usually does take the 4 weeks. And it took me forever because I didn't even get the first one, so that's why I'm saying it takes months. And then even once you do reach once you get your Adsense account set up and everything, you can't even like get paid until you make $100. So it's not like this for everybody, but for me, the video that got all these views was a video that could not be monetized because Google, it was a lingerie video basically, so Google did not put ads on that video, so I couldn't get paid from it. Because if I would have got all my money from that video, honey, because it got so many views, but it doesn't have ads on it, but it got me my watch minutes, so I'm not mad, but I couldn't get paid from it. So once I did finally make an Adsense account, I couldn't even get paid because I didn't reach my $100 threshold, because that was basically the only video that was getting views for me to keep it a stack. And most people, like I said, it's not like that. But just keep that in mind even after you make the Adsense account and you reach, you know, your 1,000 subscribers, and you do all this confirmation and stuff for Adsense, you still might not get paid if you don't reach the $100. I made my Adsense account in July, and I did not reach the threshold until November. So it even took months after that to cash out. And I reached it. See, I got my first check in January, but I reached my threshold in November and didn't even notice. Because I was like, oh, I'm so far away every time I would check my Adsense account. So like it was like something like in the back of my head. So I didn't even think like to check and see if I had reached it. So it was a couple months, and I finally checked it like at the beginning of January. And I'm like, wow, could have been paid. Like I slept it. But it takes a lot to reach the $100. Like it really does. I got a video up right now that it has ads on it. I got like over 200,000 views, maybe like closer to 300,000 right now, and that video didn't even make $100 by itself. Like it depends on like a bunch of different things on how much a video makes. It depends on if people are watching your video till the end, if people are watching the ads, a whole bunch of different things. Like if people are skipping the ads, you're not getting the money for that. If people are clicking on the ads and watching the ads full way through, you'll get the money. But most of the time, like I watch YouTube, I skip the ads. I'm not watching them. Some people, you know, I will watch the ads, or if I'm not paying attention, like I'll watch the ads. But most people skip the ads. So if they're doing that, you're really not getting paid for it. But now I'm gonna let you guys know how much my first YouTube check was. And don't think I made bank, because honey, I didn't, like I said. Bitch, I just didn't. I just didn't. It was something, but like for me, it was just more so motivation to keep doing it. Like, because it took forever for me to make this amount of money, and I'm like, now I know that I can do it, honey. Like, because I slacked off making videos. It's turned into like this whole thing. I'm sorry guys, I'll tell y'all soon. But I slacked off on making videos and everything, because I was getting discouraged because I wasn't getting at, you know, reaching my threshold. But that just motivated me, like this little check. It motivated me. I started making videos, like I said, and now I know I can do it. I'm gonna just keep popping out with these videos, you know, and strive to make more coin, because there's coin to be made, honey. But yeah, you know, I don't count people's pockets. But when I posted that I got my first YouTube check on Twitter, everybody was in my pockets. I'm like, a bitch better make a video about it and let you know what to expect. Like, I know y'all's curious because everyone want to know how much like small YouTubers make. And bitch, is really nothing. Like, it's really nothing. It's extra money. That's what it is, extra money. So, I got my first YouTube check. When did I get it? I got it January 6th in the amount of, hold on, I want to tell y'all the exact amount. It was $128.44. So that's what y'all was bugging me about, $128. Yup. I mean, obviously YouTube isn't my only income. It can't be. It can't live on $128. Like I said, it was extra money for me, but now that I know I can make that money, it's motivation to keep making videos and stuff. And I mean, even if it's not a lot, who doesn't want an extra, you know, $128 in their pocket? You know, no one's gonna complain about extra money, especially if it's like something you enjoy doing. Like, I don't mind getting in front of a camera and talking. I like talking, so it's nothing to me. But like I said, if it's something you really want to do, definitely keep doing it. I know it's like discouraging, especially hearing that amount, but like it leads to more money. Like eventually, you know, I'm gonna be making more, and if you don't make them right now, just keep making videos, and eventually you're gonna get to where you need to be. Yeah, like random videos like just suddenly get a whole bunch of views, like out of nowhere. Like some of my old videos, they'll get a bunch of random views. Like, don't get discouraged, y'all. Like, one day one of your videos gonna be on a suggested page and you gonna get hella views and you gonna get hella money. Just make sure you post videos that can get ads on them. Don't be me. But yeah, that's it for this video. That's my coin. That's how much I got. I'll like kind of keep y'all updated, because since this is my first check, I know it's gonna be different every month, and I don't know if I'm gonna start making more soon or what, but we'll see. I mean, I'll keep y'all updated. I'm not telling y'all how much more I'm getting now. Like, y'all wanted to know my first check, that's what it was, but y'all's not knowing nothing else. Like, I'll tell y'all maybe if it got more or some shit, but y'all not gonna be counting my pockets like that, okay? Sorry, y'all, just not. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I feel like I got everything, but probably not, because it's, like I said, it's a process. And if y'all want an eyebrow tutorial, let me know that too. You know, eyebrows always on fleek. The fuck. It's like, oh, these are trash today, but most of the time they on fleek. The fuck. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.